on today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Look at that. That is the babyest stick bug I have ever seen. Running good now.
I don't know if it's bad.
A lot of pollen, huh? Holy cow. I got a cover, so we're gonna have to wash it up and put the cover on it.
There's one of the rich people.
Oh yeah. One of the rich people flying their airplane over.
Yeah.
Nice day though, huh? Holy cow.
Yeah.
There's really not even a cloud in the sky.
After we eat, let's see if we can tool over to see any lumps in the traditional area.
Sing it, Mommy. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man.
Row, row, row your boat.
So where do you want to eat?
The Tiki place,
Tiki place? Alright.
Paddletails.
Paddletail Tiki. Yeah, they get the best smashburgers. Good call. That's where we're going.
Is there a helicopter behind us?
Yeah.
There it is. See that, Michael? See that helicopter? See it right there? Right in front of us there.
Yeah.
I think it's been following me all morning.
Like military helicopters.
Yeah.
There. Left the keys in it. What if they
Boy.
do a GTB? Grand Theft Boat.
Hello, how we doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Come
You want a
first.
menu?
We want the famous smashburger again.
Okay, cool. Just the way it comes
Yep.
Yeah.
with fries?
Yeah.
Okay, just one or we want two?
Two.
Two? To go or for
Over
here?
at Waterfront Socail.
I am, yeah.
Recognize your eyes.
Yep,
Yeah.
I just switched over here. Today's my first day here, actually.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
Oh.
Do you guys want those here for here to go?
Yeah, we're gonna stay here.
Okay, do we want beverages?
Just like waters.
Yeah.
Waters,
that's
lemons?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh yeah, there we go. Right in the fan. A little better here in the fan.
It is nice, yeah, yes.
That was direct sun. I thought
Right
that
in
was
the
covering enough,
sun.
but it wasn't.
It's not, yeah.
On the far end, the 16-footer. Yeah, we didn't want nothing huge because we
That's
don't.
cute.
I mean, our kids are grown up and it's pretty much just us. And then we don't have to have a bunch of people on the boat
Then you
either.
can be like, can't have more than 6, sorry.
Sorry. Yeah.
Love that. These are so good.
Oh yeah.
Here we are.
Thank you.
Well, look
You're
at that.
welcome.
Nice big fatties. Over there at the Waterfront Socail, they're building that new.
Yeah.
old- Now, are they going to keep you guys open, or are you going to move everything into the new place?
Everything's gonna get moved over to the new place. That's all just new building for the current Waterfront Socail.
Yeah.
The only part that will stay is the Tiki Bar area. That will stay standing, and I'm sure they'll keep
Probably
it a bar.
modernize it a little, looking like. Because I'm looking at that.
And
Right.
it is a historical building site, so they have to leave one of the buildings standing there when they take
Okay.
everything down. So they're gonna leave the Tiki Bar.
all right.
And what are they going to do with the restaurant side? Expand
Oh, like
it?
all-
Nope,
the
they're gonna
land.
take all of it down. They're either gonna do more parking lot or maybe townhouses.
Do they own
Right,
those
yeah.
little motels that are along the right next to it?
No.
Yeah, that motel, those
Yeah.
motels are part
Yeah.
of Waterfront Socail, so those are all going to be taken down.
Oh, those are all.
Yeah, that's
Yes, those
I
are.
thought
That's all
what
the
you were
old
asking
No,
hotels.
I was saying the restaurant itself. What they're
It's
going to do with
Everything
it.
besides the
Everything.
bar. Yep.
Oh wow.
All the motels, all the hotel, the restaurant.
I'm gonna have to go record some of that.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah,
I
because they
fly
won't
my
be
drone
there.
over and do the.
You guys know Elvis stayed there. It was one of his favorite spots to stay.
No.
If you look up Port Paradise or Port Hotel, it's on Port Paradise Road, so I get confused. I think it's just the Port
Probably
Hotel
your
in
Dream
Marina.
Highway. He did the movie.
Yeah, and then that's where he stayed often.
No way.
Very often. There's, if you look it up, there's a lot of, and then type in Elvis, there's a lot of pictures with
Oh.
him. And
I'm doing
was
that.
it used to be a pool and a jacuzzi and a dive shop on the other side where they're doing the new building.
Uh-huh.
So there was more, but they've been trying to build that for like 7 years now. It's finally coming to life.
Crazy.
Well, I'll let you guys enjoy so your
Thank you.
food doesn't get cold.
Thanks. They have the best smashburgers, hand down. Yeah. Yeah, get your mouth around it.
That's what she said.
All right, a water and a check.
Thanks. They're not the same people that own Monkey Bar and Crackers, right?
No,
And
no.
Homosassa, because they own like a whole bunch of stuff too.
Yeah,
Ones
well,
that
they
have
actually
Crackers.
the Florida Cracker Monkey Bar actually, as far as I'm concerned, is closed down now.
They are, but someone's supposed to be going in it, and they are redoing the Cracker
Okay.
kitchen.
Huh.
Like they weren't going to do it because I guess they didn't
Yeah.
have insurance.
It might be
but
different
I know
people
someone
what
that's
they're doing. They're refurbishing it.
I didn't know that. Cool.
no, because the guy that's working on it. I know someone that watches my YouTube channel that says he's the guy that does all their stuff, and he's been in there fixing it and working. I'm like, is it the
Nice.
same? And he's like, yeah.
These
Who
is.
takes care of the monkeys if no one's there? Because I mean,
Somebody
the bar
else takes
closed.
care of the monkeys from. It's the people that own the actual property, not the people that were running the monkey bar.
okay.
Yeah, so they are still getting fed.
Oh,
That's important.
yeah. Isn't that nice of me? The fan was blown over my head, so I could give it to you.
The kayakers.
Oh yeah. What do you got stuck on his chin there?
Hello, Mr. Pelican.
You got boo boo on your chin? Or what is that? It looks like a growth. Hey, fly, pelican. Oh yeah, a little boo boo. You catch any fishies here? No? Are you shy? You camera shy?
Said she liked our boat. I don't know if she knows this is our boat.
Yeah, because when you went to the bathroom, she said, "Oh, did you guys kayak in?" I said, "No, we took the little pontoon boat." And she was looking. I said, "That littlest one right over there." Yeah, that sailboat sank, huh? Want to go over to the...
Yeah, it's
All right,
almost
yeah.
always a guaranteed.
Good idea. Yeah, that's definitely newer.
Yeah, it's like they put the top on top of the old 60s something.
Right, and there's definitely new. Let's go to Pete's Pier so I can get a hat, so I don't get a sunburn noggin. Yeah, they were. Those people were getting towed in. That stinks. On the boat again.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get on the boat again.
Sure is better than rap.
Oh yeah.
Because they just got named the along with 800 industry.
They have.
I'm John Walzak. Okay.
Do you have more hat types in the store over there?
Different types of hats, yeah.
Like-
up in the gift shop and
Yeah, something like that maybe.
Oh, that's Gilligan.
Yeah. That's different. I'll check the gift store. I definitely don't want that today.
nah.
Maybe it'll soak the sweat off my hands. Look how open that boat is.
That's for hauling in big nets or something, so the back end is open like that.
You're probably right.
Oh, Joe puppy.
Oh, there's that puppy.
I don't think you need these winter hats, huh?
No. Oh, wow. It's a big floppy hat. What do you think?
Oh, this is the worst looking hat I ever saw. Well, you buy a hat like this, I bet you get a free bowl of soup, huh?
It looks like it gets better airflow than what you had.
All right, I guess we'll
Just get it, yeah. Yeah.
It looks like Jurassic
I
Park.
like that, but I wish it had color. Oh, I wonder what those. Look at that. We didn't mean to go shopping today.
Yeah.
We meant to go on the boat.
How many of them hats do you sell?
Not many.
Oh, it looks good on you, though.
No, I didn't think so. Want a toe ring?
No,
I bet you won't fit your toe.
probably not.
Oh, this is
Faye.
Faye. And Pete. That's Pete's Pier. See?
How come it's not Pete and Faye's Pier?
I don't know. I had 2 waters, but I'm kind of sweating it out.
Well, I got more on the boat. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's
see
got to
this
be
big
in.
rope?
Yeah.
That's for bringing in big ones.
No open containers beyond this point.
Ha! These guys have that Skywalker Island. A Skinwalker.
You see any in there?
No.
We can park and go swimming over there if you want. You don't want to go snorkeling in through where the manatees are?
No.
Okay. I got that buggy going. I looked, I was like, hey, those are the people I got the buggy from.
You got it going?
Yeah.
Really? Already?
Yep. It was a starter, and then I had to do the carburetor was a little plugged.
Yeah, it's been a couple of weeks. I haven't made it up there to the tag place yet,
Yeah, no problem.
but I'm gonna go probably Thursday. And yeah, but I'm glad you got it going, man. I told you there wasn't much wrong with it.
Yeah.
Hell, we paid $3,800 for that son of a bitch.
Yeah, you were saying.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Awesome, man. Just right for 2 people, ain't it?
Yeah, she was driving around. She likes it.
I mean, it'll go 35 with both of us on it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so glad, man. I was like thinking about it the whole time. I was like, man, I hope that he gets it going.
Fixing stuff like that. Yeah, that's my passion.
Figuring it out.
We got an old golf cart. You interested in that?
Is that a gas one?
Come look at it.
It's a gas one.
You know what's wrong with it? The carburetor's gummed up.
Had it running not long ago.
Yeah, about 4 or 8 months ago, you know.
How much you want for that?
Come by and look at it.
It's grandma, so.
All right.
Yeah. Hell, now we know you got a boat. We're gonna come over more often.
Yeah.
All right.
Have a good
Enjoy
one.
your day.
You too.
You too. How crazy is that?
Yeah.
To see them guys. I was looking, I was like, that's the guy I got the buggy from.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Where's my hat on?
Gonna stay there all day, huh?
Why not? Are you coming in?
I don't think so. Oh.
It's cold, isn't it? I told you. Dive in.
No.
Mama spotted a bald eagle. Ah, beautiful bird, huh?
Right.
have Mama drive. Yep, I got a golf cart now.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.